Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Claire. This is going to be another summer special beauty box, and this time I have got M&S or Marks and Spencer's. This is the summer 2019 Beauty in the Box edition. They do these boxes every summer. M&S is all over the world. I think this is a UK only promotion. If I find out any more details, I will link it down below in the description, and all links to this box and the website and everything like that will be listed down below as well. So underneath this video you'll see show more. If you click that, that'll bring a description and all links and things will be down there. So this beauty box then, so as I said, they bring it out once a year every summer, and it contains a huge selection of beauty products. Many of them are sample sizes, but the whole value of this box comes to £110. Now you can actually buy it for £110, but that'd be silly because in all honesty, and you will see, there's no way it's worth £110. I'll show you first before I get into it, but they have got a deal on. If you spend £40 or more in Marks and Spencer's, then you can get this box for £15. So when it first came out, I was quite excited. I had a lot of you message me to see if I'd be getting it, and in all honesty, I didn't really want anything in Marks and Spencer's, but I started having a look online, and before I know it, my basket is full of underwear. So I've got knickers and strapless bras and everything to take on holiday with me. So yeah, so I added this box. So I paid £15 for this box. So reading the information off the website, it says, get set for the season with our limited edition summer beauty box, stuffed with the ultimate sunshine approved, perfectly portable must-haves. A wonderful excuse to experiment with new products, including 10 classic and cult brands. There's something for everyone. Handbag friendly, carry-on case approved beauty icons. And it says, spend £40 across clothing, home and beauty, and get this year's summer beauty box for £15. Search BB19 and add the box to your bag before checkout if you're ordering online. And it says one summer beauty box per customer, and then it goes down then telling you exactly what's in the box, and it's got the value next to it. So even though some of these are like sample sizes or mini sizes, they have got a value next to it. So I'll refer to this as we go along. So let's open it up and show you what you get inside. Beautiful packaging, I absolutely love it. But here's all the contents. Without it falling. So the first item is an Ultra Sun, and this is SPF 30, and it says it's for the face, moisturising, anti-aging, sun protection, and it's water resistant. That's what it looks like there. And this is 25 mils. And at this size, it's worth £10. So that's the first item. Next, we've got an Emma Hardy, and it's a Moisture Boost Vitamin C Cream. And it says reduces areas of dark pigmentation, reduces areas of high colour, reduces visible signs of aging, increases cellular renewal. And this is 20 mils. It looks like there. And this size is worth £14.70. Next we've got a Living Proof, and this Perfect Hair Days, it's a dry shampoo, and it says actually cleans hair, eliminates oil, sweat and odour, and this is a 92 mils. And this is a full version, and you can buy this for £10. Next we've got a Shea and Blue London Boutique Perfumery, established London 2012. Just show you the outer packaging first. There you go. That's what it looks like there. Oh, that is nice. That is really nice. That is really nice, actually. I think looking on here, this is English Cherry Blossom, and this 10ml size is worth £25. So there's that. Then we got a Ren Clean Skincare Atlantic Kelp and Magnesium Anti-Fatigue Body Wash, and this is 100 mils. And this size is worth £7.33. Then we've got Perfect Legs Skin Miracle, a tinted multivitamin serum to perfect and help cover skin imperfections by This Works, and this is 30 mils. I am boiling. It is so hot here in the UK. I think we're like 27, 28 degrees. Oh my gosh. Right. I can't find it. Where is it? For this 30ml size, it's worth £9.50. So there's that. Then we've got Rosie for Autograph, and this is a Radiance Highlighter, 15 mils. Autograph is a brand by Marks and Spencer's, and this is worth £12.50. Then I got a, what is this? Formula Skin Solutions. It's another brand by Marks and Spencer's, and it's leaves skin feeling deeply nourished, more comfortable and replenished. And it's a deeply nourishing face mask, and we've got 50 mils there as well. Here's that. And this is worth £4.20. Next we've got a Skin Iceland, and it's Solutions for Stressed Skin, and it says Hydro Cool Firming Eye Gels, and these are 1 pair of eye gels in there. Oh, that'd be lovely now on a day like today. For a pack of 4 of these, it would cost you £14. So individually, this is worth about £4. And lastly, we've got a Radial face mask, and it's a vitamin C energizing face mask, brighten and renew. And it says instant rejuvenating, retexturing and illuminating mask with vitamin C, vitamin B3, amino acids and hyaluronic acid. That's what it looks like there. I don't think I've ever tried a face mask by this brand. I've tried some of their other products, but not a face mask. So no, oh, it feels nice and cool. Oh, you just know it's going to be cold on your skin. Oh, I'm just not a fan. It says you can buy as a multi-pack, but it doesn't say how many's in the multi-pack, but it's worth £14. So those are all the beauty products inside this year's Marks & Spencer Summer Beauty Box. My first impressions were it's a bit of a letdown. That's my first impressions. Comparing it to the box I received 2 years ago, which was super impressive. I think we had just bigger sizes. It just seemed bigger sizes, and I'm gonna have to watch my video to see the difference. But yeah, my first thoughts was, yes, the quantity is roughly the same. The value seems to be roughly the same as well. I think previously the value has been a little bit more. There is no way on earth I would buy this for £110. No way. Not when I'm used to getting subscription boxes, which you pay a certain price, but you know the value is worth like double sometimes or more. So bottom line, is this box worth £15? Yes. In my opinion, yes. You got 11 beauty products, you got some amazing brands, you've got Radial, you've got Skin Iceland, you've got Emma Hardy. There's a lot of really great skincare brands in there, and if you've never tried any of those brands before, then this box is a really nice box to keep for yourself or to give as a gift to someone. I don't know why, I can't put my finger on it, but I feel a little bit underwhelmed. I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this year's box? So have you got it, or have you decided not to go for it this year? All your thoughts and opinions, please comment down below. I'd love to hear them. But yeah, bottom line, definitely worth £15. So if you were going to spend £40 on Marks and Spencer's, like I just went out and bought a load of underwear for me and my daughter, but they also got 20% off school uniform and things. So there is deals going on there. So it's £15. £15 on top of the £40 that you would spend. So I think it's worth it. It's a beauty box with lots of products inside, so I do think it's worth it. But I just feel a little bit underwhelmed this year. And I'm not too sure why. I'm not too sure. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just to come on and show you that Marks & Spencer's are doing this box, and to show you one by one the items that you would get. So yeah, so if you enjoyed it, then it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to our channel for lots of videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.